My country pipo, una welcome back to my channel today. Venita don come out come drop an EP. She don turn musician overnight and the drag no be here. And also Bella don come out come do ask me a question for her IG story. So of recent we know talk say for some time now Bella she no dey on social media. The girl just dey mind her business, doing what pays her, and dey love her boo. So she come out today come say make she do ask me a question. So I just bring out few of the questions wey be say seem interesting to me and the answers. So the first one wey be say I pick here, dey ask her say its funny, the person say its funny how you are low key but yet so famous. Is grace one name? How have you been? So she come say its God's grace cause I never have to do too much. Yes, na one thing wey be say I notice about Bella. Bella is not a controversial person at all. She no dey talk anyhow online, she behaves herself. The only time wey be say you go see Bella talk anything na when you come for her. So e come turn out say ever since she come out from Big Brother house, with everything wey be say go on after the show, the post show event wey happen, the girl she no really chase clout, she just concentrate on her life, her business, and her boyfriend wey dey call Sheggz. So even with her concentration, she still see her anytime wey be say she post something, you go see the likes go shoot up, you go see the views go shoot up, you know, without causing anybody, without chasing clout. So na really the grace of God for that girl. So another question wey be say dey here, wey be say dey ask her say how were you able to stand your ground despite all the noise? You came out to post BBN, you are too loyal. So she come say I am strong willed. The next one, the person come ask am say are you still happy in your relationship? What's keeping it strong? Bella come reply and come say there's no reason to be in a relationship that makes you unhappy. It's never a do or die affair. Una don hear am na. Bella say she is still very much happy in her relationship. For people wey be say they wan know whether the relationship still dey work, whether Sheggz still dey do one thing towards her, everything is fine according to Bella. So unto Venita matter, Venita, as we all know, for people wey be say know Venita even before she enter Big Brother house, Venita has always been an actor. She dey act film, and from wetin I don notice, I start to watch Venita film from that AY's grip, that time wey be say they dey do where she dey answer Mimi for that soap opera that time. So all of a sudden the girl she come start to dey, from that thing she come dey enter cinema movies, come dey enter big screen, you know. Before we know am, the girl fly carry herself enter Big Brother. The first time I see Venita for pepper dem season for inside Big Brother, I say this girl you don already get fame, wetin, what are you doing here? Why not give chance for people wey be say never get the fame to get am? But as we all know, money, fame no dey ever reach anybody. So she come enter the Big Brother house. After the one wey be say she do for there, she come back again for All Stars, do the one wey be say she do, come out. Now Venita say na music she wan dey sing. So I say make I just drop small clip for the music because e dey copyrighted, make dem no go give me copyright strike. So I say make I just post am for here, make una just lis ten to small of the music.
It's Venita, you know I'm the queen. Then they shake when I enter the scene. I they hot, I they boil, I they steam.
Una don hear am now. As she drop the thing finish, netizens no take am lightly with her. So first of all, they drag her for the cloth wey be say she wear. They believe that's a person wey dey 37 years old, wey don born 2 children wey be female, not supposed dress that tacky to come online come dey sing that way be say she sing. Others they talk say the way the song na disaster, so make she no ever try and sing for her life again, say e no make sense. So I go just read few of the comments for una, make una see for una sef. The first person here say this is so trash, come put laughing emoji. Another one come say abeg stick to movies please, come put laughing emoji again. This one come say so what is this? The next one say Venita abeg not try am again. The next person say omo the song enter, make una talk true, she's not even my fave but the song sweet with the Hausa. This person here say shey na person dey play voice note abi wetin dey happen? The truth be say if una notice, for all those our olden days actors, all those the Genevieve, Mama G, Tonto Dike, all of them they come out, they say they wan dey sing song, you dey get me? So I believe say na wetin dey do Venita like this. After she sing finish, she go back inside house go continue her acting. Na so e dey always be with them. Once they just come out like this, once they reign for that moment for the industry, they always want enter music. So once he enter there, you see say no hope, you go see say she go back to her acting, go concentrate for wetin she dey good at. No get any problem with whether she sing, whether she dance for street, whether she become video vc, anything anybody like me do with im life. But the one wey be say I wan talk about na this her dressing. I no understand this one. Na Venita Minaj na she dey try to pull. This life no balance o. Una take care, una bye.